Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make your fried eggs better updated. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-low, melt butter until foaming, crack eggs gently into the pan, cover to cook whites through while keeping yolks runny, season with salt early and pepper later, and finish with a tiny splash of vinegar or lemon for brightness. These small changes create silkier whites and more vibrant yolks, making breakfast feel effortlessly elevated. Start by cracking eggs into a warm pan one at a time to control spacing. Then reduce heat and cover for short bursts to let steam set the tops while keeping yolks soft. Alternatively, baste with melted butter using a spoon for a glossy finish without flipping, and always pull eggs off the heat a little early since residual warmth continues to cook them. This approach gives reliable texture and prevents chalky whites or chalky yolks. If you're enjoying these egg tips, please like and subscribe to support the channel and get more quick kitchen tricks. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which listens to voice control and handles crumbs like a pro so you spend less time sweeping after breakfast. Imagine perfectly fried eggs and a robot that cleans up the tiny mess. Pretty handy. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Season eggs right at the start with a pinch of salt to draw out flavor, then add pepper after cooking to protect aromatics. A tiny splash of lemon or vinegar brightens the yolk and balances richness, while finishes like chopped herbs, chili flakes, or grated cheese add texture and contrast. Experiment with compound butter or a dab of hot sauce on the plate to personalize each egg and make simple frying feel restaurant level without fuss.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.